Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. The landscape for making money on Facebook is rapidly evolving with a shift toward a more unified creator program. The key to success in the current environment is adopting a multifaceted strategy that combines Facebook's internal monetization tools with direct revenue streams. Here is a full updated guide on how to make money on Facebook and what's working best now. Let's start with what's working now, that is the unified monetization model. The biggest change is Meta's transition towards the Facebook content monetization program, which combines and simplifies previous tools like in-stream ads, ads on Reels, and performance bonuses into a single performance-based payout system. In here we have Facebook content monetization, which is better. This is what this is: a single program that pays creators based on the performance and engagement of all their eligible content. This streamlines earnings across different formats. We also have content that earns. You can earn money on a variety of formats, including Reels, which is short form video. We also have longer videos, photo posts, text posts, and also stories. In here, we also have payout model, which is performance based. The more views, watch time, engagement, likes, shares, comments, and interactions your content generates, the higher your earnings. We also have status. As of late 2024 or 2025, this program is currently in a beta stage and is invite only for creators who were already part of the previous monetization programs. Actually, an open enrollment is expected in this 2025. Now let's get to the direct monetization tools from Facebook, which is creator focused. These programs allow you to earn money directly from Meta or your audience, and they remain key ways to earn on the platform. In here now let's get to monetization tool, and the first one right here is paid subscriptions, which is fun subscriptions. And this is how this works. It offers exclusive content and benefits like subscriber only groups, live videos, or discounts for a recurring monthly fee from your most loyal fans. This is the eligibility for this page in professional mode with 10,000 followers or 250 plus returning viewers in the last 60 days and 50,000 post engagements or 180,000 watch minutes in the last 60 days. Let's get to secondly Facebook stars. This is how this works. Your audience buys stars, that is virtual gifts to send you during live streams, videos, reels, or even text posts. You earn up to 0.01 US dollars per star received. And this is the eligibility requirements for this. Be 18 years plus or older, have at least 500 followers for 30 consecutive days, and you will also need to comply with monetization and content policies. Thirdly, we have this monetization tool called in-stream ads, which is for long form video. This is how this works. Ads are shown before, during, or after your videos. This is being merged into the content monetization program, but the requirements for quality long form video still apply. The eligibility requirement for this is 10,000 page followers, 600,000 total minutes viewed in the last 60 days, on demand, live, and previously live, and also 5 plus active video uploads. Fourthly, we have branded content. This is how this works. Partner with brands to create sponsored posts or collaborations. You must also use the branded content tag tool to disclose the partnership. The eligibility requirements for this is that you must follow Facebook's branded content policies. You also need an established presence and a loyal audience to attract paying brands. This is now how to get started with Facebook monetization. First, you need to switch to professional mode. If you are using a personal profile, switch to professional mode to access the creator dashboard and monetization tools. If you use a page, this is already active. Another key thing is to check eligibility. Go to your professional dashboard or Meta Business Suite and then go to monetization tab and then click on monetization tools right here to see which programs your page or profile is currently eligible for. set up payouts as well. Complete the payout setup wizard, which includes agreeing to terms, providing tax information, that is TIN, and linking your bank account or PayPal. Now let's get to top strategies for direct revenue, which is business focused. For business owners, entrepreneurs, and those with products or services to sell, Facebook is a powerful channel for generating revenue directly. In here, let's start with this strategy, which is Facebook Shops and live shopping. This is what this involves. It involves setting up a customizable online storefront to sell products directly on your page and Instagram. Also, use Facebook Live to host interactive shopping events. And this is why this is effective now. We have integrated e-commerce. This creates a seamless shopping experience without leaving the platform. Also, live shopping builds urgency and engagement, driving instant sales. Another key thing here or strategy here is affiliate marketing. Promote products from other companies like via Amazon Associates by sharing unique affiliate links in your posts or group. This is why this is effective now. We have high trust is equals to high commission. Works best when you provide honest value and recommendations, not spamming links. You earn a commission per sale for this. Another strategy here is to sell services and courses. You can use your page and groups to market your professional services and coaching packages or digital courses. This is why this is effective. High value sales, services and courses have a higher price point than physical products. Facebook groups are excellent for building a community and nurturing leads for these offers. We also have another strategy, which is Facebook Marketplace. This is what this involves. This is best for selling physical goods that is new or used to a local or broader audience. It's a key channel for small businesses and individuals. This is why this is effective now, local and direct, easy to create a listing and reach local buyers quickly. It's also ideal for print on demand or dropshipping entrepreneurs. Also, manage pages for clients. This offers your expertise to businesses by managing their Facebook presence, running their ad campaigns, and analyzing performance for a consulting fee. This is why this is effective now. It's actually high on demand. Businesses always need professional help with content creation, ad management, and social media strategy. Let's now get to the keys to success: consistency and content strategy. To unlock and maximize all monetization methods, you must focus on two core principles. First, create consistent original content. Here, originality is non-negotiable. Also, post all formats. Another key tip here is to focus on watch time. Secondly, we have prioritize engagement over views, performance-based payout. Another key thing here is build community, that is to respond to comments, ask questions, and host live videos to encourage interaction. Another key thing here is policy compliance. Regularly check the partner monetization policies and content monetization policies. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.